Introducing the Stable Helper, a tool specifically designed to ensure that your MT4 platform stays connected to your broker's server. If you've ever faced disconnections during trading, this tool will be invaluable for you. Let's dive in and see how it works. Stable Helper is a simple yet powerful EA. It's designed to monitor your connection with your broker and automatically reconnect if a disconnection occurs, ensuring that your trades continue to run smoothly without interruptions. Disconnections from the broker server can be frustrating, especially when you miss trades or your EA stops functioning properly. Although MT4 may reconnect automatically, there are times when a manual restart is needed. This is where Stable Helper comes in. It constantly monitors the connection and automatically reconnects MT4 with your broker if needed, keeping you connected at all times. Stable Helper checks your connection to the broker's server every 15 seconds to ensure stability. This interval can be adjusted to suit your needs. If a disconnection is detected, Stable Helper waits for 60 seconds to allow the platform to reconnect on its own. You can customize this wait time based on your preferences. If the connection isn't restored within the set wait time, Stable Helper will try to reconnect. If the issue persists after 5 minutes, it will retrieve server information and attempt to reconnect again. Retry intervals can be modified. Stable Helper monitors the latency of your connection. You can set a threshold for the response time, and if the latency exceeds this threshold, it will search for a faster, more stable server to ensure optimal performance. Stable Helper checks the connection every 9 seconds and attempts to switch to a faster and more stable server if the latency exceeds the set threshold. This scan frequency can also be customized to suit your preferences. Here's how you can install and use Stable Helper. Download the Stable Helper EA. Then, open MT4 and select File from the menu bar, followed by Open Data folder. After that, move the Stable Helper file into the Expert folder, which is located within the MQL4 folder. Once this is done, refresh the Navigator window and it'll appear in the Expert Advisors section. Next, go to the Tools, select Options, and navigate to the Expert Advisors tab. Ensure that Allow Automated Trading, Allow DLL Imports are all ticked. Finally, drag and drop Stable Helper to any chart in your MT4 account. Once attached, the EA will start monitoring your connection. You can confirm this by looking for the smiley face icon in the top right corner of the chart, indicating that the EA is active. And that's how Stable Helper keeps your MT4 connected to your broker, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted trading. Whether it's a minor disconnection or a sudden drop in server speed, Stable Helper is there to manage the connection for you. Join our community today. By becoming a member, you can access your own copy of Stable Helper, an invaluable tool that enhances your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.